Welcome back. I have with me Lori Renaud, who's with Acti-Kare, and she's going to tell us a little bit about what Acti-Kare does and sort of, what's been going on and some new things that she has coming up. Well, welcome. It's nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Thank you for having me back.
You're welcome. You're welcome. So lots probably changed, but before we go into what's changed since you've been on, tell me a little bit about what Acti-Kare does.
Okay. So Acti-Kare provides in-home care services to older adults living at home.
Okay.
We want to keep people living independently and safe in the comfort of their home. And so we can provide hourly services up to live-in services, something as simple as 2 hours a day if they just need shower assistance, up to full-time care if they need more hands-on assistance. And then a lot of what we do is let the family members who assume the role of caregiving get a break, so we can come in and stay with them.
And many people who are caregivers don't like to leave. They're afraid to leave. Like, what if something happens while I'm gone? They would feel terribly guilty.
Right.
So what do you say to that person?
So they need to trust us, trust my employees. They are very trained, of course, background checks and licensed and bonded and all that. But just wonderful people that they can feel comfortable with. And we'll engage their loved one in activities. We won't just sit and watch TV with them. We'll take them on a walk or play a game, or if in that time it would be the right time to shower, we'll do that, and then we can help with some household chores. And then when the family caregiver comes back, they'll be refreshed and recharged and they can take over again.
Right. Is it often, I'm sure there's a sort of a getting used to period, right? So you've got somebody who may be inbound, housebound, and then you bring someone totally new in, and they're like, oh, I don't want to have anything to do with that person. What's the time period of adjustment?
It depends. We can hit it off right away. Yesterday I did an introduction, hit it off, like no problems. There's no worry period at all. Other times it may take a little bit longer, but you want to establish the routine and develop the relationship. What we really, really, really emphasize is continuity of care. So we will send that same caregiver every time to the best of our ability, of course.
Sure. Okay. Well, sometimes you might send a couple different ones, right? So then that way you have a rotation.
That way it is ideal if we can get 2 people trained, just in case there's a sick call or something.
Perfect. All right, so you've got some exciting news. I mean, you are on the front cover of this magazine, and it's beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Just gorgeous. Tell me what brought this on.
Okay, so April's a big month. It is Parkinson's Awareness Month.
Okay.
And we are specializing in the care of Parkinson's patients.
Oh.
Okay, so awareness is the key as we are searching for a cure. All right, we want people to know about the best care available, the resources that are out there. So there is an editorial in there, and it explains more about what we do. And then we have a new brochure too, which I did see on the screen earlier, and it talks about little more services we specially do for our Parkinson's patients. But we aren't limited to that. By training our caregivers in Parkinson's, it makes them so much more skilled to take care of other chronic conditions as well.
And an event that you have coming up is going to be Tuesday, April 16th. And tell me what people will learn.
So this is a Parkinson's Awareness Month, once again talking about the disease. It's a very individualized disease, so there's no 2 people that will look alike with Parkinson's. So if we can get people talking about it, what works for them, well, if by sharing their stories, it might help other people. So that's my goal, is just to have people out there. The theme this year is Key to PD. So by talking about what's working for them, we can really find out and help other people.
Okay, so you are going to have yourself, you are an RN, so you have dealt with Parkinson's patients before.
So I have the training and the knowledge, and then pass it on. My background is in nursing. The voice of Parkinson's is a gentleman named David Bunch. He'll be there as well.
All right.
We have some other people that are involved in the Parkinson's community coming. There's wonderful support groups. People from there will come, and another resource is OC Trumbull Clefs, and it's a music group. And they meet it actually local at the Sylvester Community Center.
Oh, they do? Okay.
And that's a wonderful event, and I believe the lady who hosts that will be coming as well.
Oh, okay, good. So you're going to have a full house. All right, excellent. So that will be on Tuesday, April 16th, and that's from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m., and that will be at Villa Roma.
Yes, and we'll have
Nice.
appetizers.
Oh, yum. That sounds perfect. Appetizer. And then, so you would like people to RSVP though, right?
It would be nice.
Okay, so how should they RSVP?
They can call the phone number or just
Okay.
call me.
Okay. And that would be at 397-6069.
Perfect.
Okay, perfect. All right. Anything else?
No, that's it. Thank you.
But you said you've been busier, so that's
yes.
good.
So yes, definitely, especially here in the village. I think word of mouth is taking off, and we're
Good.
definitely expanding our services.
Excellent. Well, perfect. Well, I'm very happy to see you. Thank you for coming on.
Thank you.
And good luck with your event.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Bye.
And remember, if you would like more information about Acti-Kare, you can always go to actikare.com/South Orange County. We'll be right back.